you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a vitamin C facial drop. Okay, and it is made in form of an ice. Now why I made it this way is so that it could get into your skin, tighten up your skin, close up any open pores, remove any pigmentations, remove any age-related problems, and you'll have your skin looking plump, beautiful and glowing. Yeah, okay, so if you want to know how I did all of those things and how I applied it on my face, do continue watching and don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, for that vitamin C face toner, we're gonna be needing vitamin C, and here I have some vitamin C. Okay, using this is gonna help to eliminate pigments, and it's going to help to make your skin look super glowing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be crushing it. I'll then have to be turning that into the bowl. And then we're going to be making use of carrots. Now carrots is great. The carotene in carrot helps so much to eliminate large pores and eliminate pigments on the skin. So I'm going to be peeling that off. I'm going to be peeling the peel. Now I'll have to be cutting this, okay? Transfer that into a blender, put in a little bit of water, okay, because carrot does not have too much of water like that. And then blend. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and now I'll have to be bringing in the vitamin C, get in my strainer and strain out the shaft from this carrot. Okay, so this is it, and now I'll have to mix the carrot juice plus the vitamin C together, and this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important here, is my rose water and glycerin. Now this particular rose water and glycerin is actually very important because it contains the two. Yeah, rose water is a toner, glycerin helps to calm the redness of the skin, and which is actually what we need, guys. So we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of that into this mix. And then we're going to be needing lemon essential oil, or you can actually just press in a little bit of lemon inside of here, but I'm going to be using lemon essential oil. So I'm going to be putting just a little drop of the lemon essential oil. Now this is going to brighten up the face of this toner, and it's going to make it work really fine. Okay, so for this toner you can actually spray it onto your face. What you do is that you're going to be getting your ice cube container, and then you're going to be putting it really good, and it's actually solid, yeah. So it's gonna be very easy to apply on the face if you have okay. So if you're aiming that baby face, man, and what you do is just use it, work it through, and it's actually solid, strong. Okay, so bringing it out is actually not gonna, so you work it through. You can actually turn this way, you work it through the face, and this is super duper chilling. Like, this is so chill. Okay, you put it on those parts in which you are experiencing difficulties on your face. So in case you want to store this, you can actually put it here, just like you see. I've used three, remaining three. So you can put it there and store it. Then when you want to use it, you just bring it out. Just bring one out and walk it through your face. Every day you do it like that. Every day you do it like that. Before you know it, your skin is gonna be responsive. And you can see it's just all over my face, and it's so cooling and so chill. So what you do, you hold on for a little while, at most 3 minutes. Okay, it's just gonna, the coolness is going to settle on your face. Now when it is 3 minutes, then you can, wash it off, or you just take your bath. As you can see, on my nightgown, I've actually not taken my bath yet, so I just want to go and take my bath, after which I've applied this. Yeah, and see how my skin is looking like. Okay, so and then you use a toilet soap and a very good cream full of suit. Okay, be consistent and apply this. Give it time, your face is gonna look like a baby's face. Okay guys, so that's it. Use this. Like, this is so amazing that you just rub the all watering ice stuff all over your face and have your face looking glowing, tight and soft. And the most important thing there is that the ice cube is going to get into your skin and make it look so cool, tighten up all pores and remove all wrinkles. Beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.